Everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today I'm reviewing a product from Airthings, and I believe this is a first for me. I've heard of this company, and I think I've seen them at conventions and stuff, but I don't think this is the first time I've ever reviewed something. So this is it right here, the Wave Advance, and this is a indoor air quality monitor. So I'm kind of learning as I go here, so be patient with me, but we're going to have a lot to say about this product for sure, right after this. Be patient with me. I can't believe I just said that. Anyway, this might be one of those product reviews where I actually open it up and then I have to do something later after the unboxing, because I realize oh yeah, I can't just just unbox it and just set it up right away. Something tells me there's a little bit of a thing here. So this is apparently a smart monitor for measuring carbon dioxide and other factors affecting indoor air quality and environmental conditions. It says great for improving sleep and productivity. I would actually like to see that happen in my life as far as the productivity is concerned, and yes, I would like to improve my sleep as well. Alright, time for a little peek, and here it is. It says right on it, breathe better, live better. Well, I can't argue with that. Okay, oh, there's the instructions right on the top. Not bad. This will probably tell me exactly what it is. And here it is right here. So it's kind of like a little thing here. Looks like a miniature fire alarm, and it looks like it comes with some, okay, it looks like it comes with some sticky tape. So are we supposed to stick this up on something? I can't really tell. I've seen that on the website, it looks like it stands up. So is there like a stand here? Man, I really don't know. It's got one of these little tabs on top. Generally when that happens, it usually means there's a battery in it or something like that. Oh, hey, look at this. I can just peel this off. There it goes. Oh, hey, all right. Well, looks like it already comes with the batteries inside. No, can't beat that, can you? Yeah, and they look like they're very easily replaceable. So what can I say? All right. Well, the first thing I'm going to say is maybe I need to do a little bit of research here. So before I get into this. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, everybody, I decided to switch over out of my usual set and follow the instructions. So step 1, download and open the Airthings app and create an account. Well, guess I better get on it. Step 1 done, set up the account, and now I just need to add a device. But there's something missing. Okay, so step 2, I gotta pull out this battery tab. Yeah, there we go. And step 3 is follow the instructions on the app to install the device. So we got it here. Okay, so we need Bluetooth permission. Not bad. Allow. Oh, okay, scanning for devices. Okay. Actually, I didn't think this is even on, but I'm detecting my device. So, device loading. Please wait. Okay, welcome to Wave Advance. Let's go. Okay, getting started. Alright. Okay, Wave Enhance uses Bluetooth to sync the air quality data and collects to your app. You can see latest air quality readings to ensure. And yeah, so I don't see many. Oh, here we go. Oh, shoot. Okay, I just saw a light on it, so that was good. There was a light on there. It actually registered. Oh, shoot. Oh, man, this is like the frickin' singing frog. It doesn't do it when it should do it. Hey, can you do it again, please? Thank you. Okay, continue. Let's just continue and does it. Okay, so there's enhancers. There's graphs. Alright. And there's even some placement tips. Okay, can we get that red light going on again? Okay. So there's sleep disruptors? I have no idea how that works. All done. Okay. Stay close. Okay, I better start the device. Okay, so it's giving me an update on this. So, should I turn this on or something? I feel like I should have hit this button and turn it on. Now I'm worried that might turn it off while it's trying to download stuff. Okay. Yeah, there should be a bar on this thing. Oh, okay. Gosh, stupid red light doesn't appear when it's... Okay, it is updating though. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, so that's good news because we're getting something on this. And Yeah, so what? Okay, so this apparently measures the air quality. Is that what that's supposed to do? Man, I'm kind of new to this. The rest of the instructions are pretty much just in other different languages. So I guess that's kind of what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna wait for this download app, and then we'll get back. Okay, so it downloaded it, and then it said like something went wrong, and then it somehow it gave it my. So I guess that's good, I suppose. Alright. So apparently I gotta check this thing. Did you guys see? Okay, a light went on, I swear. Okay, did you see that light? Okay, because it happened. Okay, seems like every time I turn it toward myself, I see the light. Why can't I see the light if I turn it that way? Okay, trust me, this is working. Okay, I thought this button would be an actual button, but it's more kind of like a thing. Okay, there's the light. You guys saw that, didn't you? Okay, great. Finally, I got that on camera. So, okay, so it's collecting the first samples. So that's what it says. Alright, this is pretty new, so there's no data to get here. I find it interesting that there is a lot of data that this thing can get, which I think is kind of awesome here. So, yeah. Now, how to really demonstrate this? I don't know. Okay, so I thought I'd just go through my house. I'm holding this thing. I'm gonna see if I can, I don't know, set off anything. I kind of hope I don't, really. Because if I've got some problem with, I don't know, CO2 levels or some jive like that, I'm gonna be a little distressed. So this thing is supposed to help me, you know, make me feel better about my air quality. And sorry about the weird resolution here. But I'm going through my house. It's not after hours. It's like 3 in the afternoon or something. Not really seeing much of any activity on this thing, so yeah. Okay, honestly, I don't think I'm really going to get any, like, results here, and if I try and force results, that might be a mistake. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to end this video now, and but I am going to say, like, hey, I'm going to do a report on this. So why don't you read my article as far as what the Wave Enhance can do for you. And we're going to have all the stats on there, everything you're going to need. Okay, but before I close this video, I definitely want to get you a price. It's about $149.99 on the Airthings site right now. And yeah, I'm not sure about any services that might have to be required for this. I'll have to put that in the report if there are any. For now, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.